Hello, and welcome to Holland College. In this short video, I'll show you how to access SAM, our Student Achievement Manager, and how to find your courses online. SAM is powered by Brightspace, and it's where you'll go to view course materials, submit assignments, and check your grades. To get started, go to the Holland College website and click the Login link to view the menu. Then click the SAM link to navigate to view courses online. You'll use your student ID and password to sign in. This is very important. It is your Holland College login information that will allow you to access Outlook, OneDrive, and SAM, not your personal email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your SAM homepage. Here you'll see titles for each of your courses, as well as the title icon on the top bar where you can click to view a list of your courses and the services links available to you. Take time to pin the courses and sites you want to stay at the top of the list. You'll also find notifications showing an orange dot when there is new information for you to click and view. Don't miss your updates. Check out the news, which displays messages from the college, and be sure to click around once you access SAM and get acquainted with all the resources available to you. To view a course, just click on its title. Inside, you'll be able to navigate SAM content with its modules, containing all course materials, including links to Dropboxes, discussions, and quizzes. The navigation bar has links to view your calendar events, check out your grades, and a user progress link, which functions as a one-stop shopping for all your assessment feedback. Below the navigation bar are the activity feed and news tools for instructor announcements. To the right is the Sign In to your Office 365 account button for you to click and connect to Outlook, OneDrive, and SAM for easy access going forward. Also, on the course home page, you can search library services directly from your course. A SAM student orientation site has been specifically created to provide you with information and practice assessment opportunities to build your comfort level in the use of SAM. Don't be afraid to explore. SAM is designed to help you succeed. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to log in and explore your courses in SAM. Wishing you a great start to your semester at Holland College.